For making dill leaves flavored small fish curry, I took small bowl dill leaves with stem, 4 slit green chili and half inch ginger. I will grate the ginger. 250 grams small fish. Add half a teaspoon turmeric powder and a teaspoon salt. Rub the fish with salt and turmeric powder. Mix the spices with the fish. You can take any type of small fish. Keep aside for 10 minutes. Turn on the heat, put a kadai, add little oil. After the oil is smoky hot, add the fish. Fry the fish over medium heat, cook until the bottom is set and it is lightly brown color. Then turn it over. In the same way, fry the other side. Our fish is well fried. Now take it out. In the same remaining oil, add quarter teaspoon fenugreek seeds and the grated ginger with little water. Add half a teaspoon turmeric and red chili powder. Saute for few seconds until it fragrant, then add half a glass water. Bring it to boil, then add slit green chili, a teaspoon salt and the fried fish. Add chopped dill leaves, cook for 6 to 7 minutes. Serve this yummy fish curry with steamed rice. Thanks for watching.